Hey my YouTube boos, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog on just my little follow-up treatment on my laser hair removal. So I think last time I saw you guys and I did this video, it was treatment 6. So today we'll make treatment 8 because I went one time in February. The video I showed you last time was from January. So this is how my skin is looking, just a little fuzzy. So she'll probably make me shave like some of that when I get there. So I'm on my way there now. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm going to start vlogging more when I get there.
We're going down here, right?
Mm-hmm. Now that I have been lasered and everything, here is the after look of how everything looks. The white stuff is just from the pencil that she drew on my face earlier. So now I'm just gonna do like a little skincare routine. I don't use much after my laser treatments because you cannot use a lot of things because you want to decrease the risk of burning your skin or irritating your skin. So what I generally use after a laser treatment is some CETAPHIL. And I use CETAPHIL every day anyway, but CETAPHIL is for sensitive skin. So it's just going to treat, you know, that skin because your skin is sensitive after you've got laser, because literally it's just hot laser actually going down deep in those hair follicles, burning those hair follicles, trying to destroy the hair follicles, and your skin is going to be sensitive, so you're at an increased risk of burning your skin, and you're really sensitive to sun and hot lights. So I cannot work out or do anything that will make my skin hot or, you know, warm. So I can't take any really hot showers or any hot baths. So you just gotta be careful with that. So I'm going to wash my face with some lukewarm water, and I'm just gonna seal everything in with some rosehip oil. I love rosehip oil. I've also used this in my last video that I posted last week. Rosehip oil helps any brightening of the skin, any healing of the skin. It helps with any scarring. So it's really good to use it after your laser treatments just to help heal this or whatever your treatment areas are. Alright my boos, so that concludes this laser hair / aftercare video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just also remember, like after laser, you cannot work out for 24 hours. You can't wear makeup for 12 hours after, not 12 hours after the treatment, but like after the treatment, you want to probably wait till the next day to wear makeup. Just any sweating, no Botox, no anything harsh to the skin. You just want to make sure you just take care of your skin. Wash with something like CETAPHIL or Aveeno, just something for sensitive skin. And just make sure you're not getting your skin hot. because you want to get the best effective treatment possibly. I am on my 8th treatment and the hair growth is pretty much slowing down. I think I probably need 4 more treatments, so a total of 12 treatments followed up by maintenance treatments, because the only hair growth that I really have is just like up under the chin area and right here. So I mean the jawline area and the chin area. As far as like my cheeks and like where the beard area was, it's pretty much gone. It's like peach fuzz. So I'm pretty sure after a couple more zaps that'll be gone for good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more videos like this, make sure you comment down below and like this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.